Hi and welcome to LearnTech Case Study, where we will be demonstrating our e-learning design capability. Can digital learning be used to teach highly technical and conceptual subjects like programming? This is a true success story of how a company solved its pressing challenge and saved money and time. Business context. dunnhumby is a known expert in providing analytical intelligence to the biggest retailers in the world. The company works on a specialized program application. All new hires, which are usually engineers from top colleges, are taken through what they call a boot camp on how to write programs in this application. The challenge. The company placed a very high premium on the quality of training being delivered to the human talent. To fulfill this commitment, they engaged their most valuable experts to deliver this 10-day program. As the company was expanding its talent acquisition, more and more such programs needed to be delivered to the new hires. As a result of this vigorous exercise, the company faced the following challenges. The experts, which were the most capable assets for the company, were engaged in the classroom for a very long time, and their absence from the floor was being missed, and the boot camp was turning out to be too long a time for the new hires to get up to speed. The company definitely wanted to review the way they were upskilling their new hires, but was not sure if digital learning would prove to be effective in delivering these highly technical conceptual subjects like programming. Our diagnosis. We understood the nature of the subject and the complexity of dynamics which happens inside the classroom, through which programming was currently being taught. We knew that this project would require more than just downloading or narrating the concepts. It would require serious upskilling, a step-by-step method of upskilling the new hires into different levels of programming, and that the design of the learning experience is going to be the key to success in this initiative. Our solution. We spent considerable time with the SMEs to understand from scratch what they teach and designed the digital learning program that simulated a personalized coaching session that each employee can take in the self-paced environment. The design was kept flexible to accommodate learners with different speeds of learning, and careful attention was given to details to ensure that students cannot move forward before demonstrating the understanding of the concept. The learning design was kept highly interactive, where learner inputs governed how the modules would progress. The impact. The 10 days, 80 man-hours spent in the classroom was compressed to 3.5 hours of training time, saving 75 man-hours for every person who joined. Upskilling time was reduced drastically from over 2 weeks to just a couple of days. Company was able to rescue their experts from the classroom back to the floor where they were required the most. The client showed calculation of savings of over 20 lakhs over a 3-year period, justifying the return of investment in less than a year. The company found the digital learning approach to be more effective in delivering training. It was like getting every new hire to sit with their expert one-on-one. And this is what the client had to say about us. We partnered with LearnTech to convert an instructor-led training on a very important tool that is the backbone of our company. LearnTech was able to understand our concern and prepared a demo of how digital technology can be used to create a learning experience that is even better than the one that gets delivered in the classroom. While I have worked with LearnTech in the past for creating instructor-led material, I was highly impressed with their insights and expertise they were able to bring to the table with regards to an e-learning solution. LearnTech worked very closely with our SME team and were able to structure and articulate the content from the eyes of the learning objective. The biggest strength is in the design of the learning experience, which we felt was immensely focused on delivering learning that matters on the job and yet making it very interactive for the participants. From the initiation of the project, they followed the project plan shared with us and worked within crunch timelines to meet our launch dates. We have got a great feedback from our internal and global stakeholders on the training program. E-learning course is now being used by our global counterparts to train their people on the tool as well. I recommend LearnTech as a truly worthy partner for innovative learning solutions. I will highly recommend that you go through the demo which is on this page and see for yourself how a coaching style learning design was the key in making this project a success. You can also take the cost and time advantage quiz to calculate the savings in cost and time that you can deliver to the organization by going digital on your very important programs. Thank you.